Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to talk about Klarna affiliate program. So let's get into the video. So if you want to become a Klarna affiliate program, so some of the basic requirements is that you got to have a legit business. If you're running a business, you might have your business and the details of it because you might need it in the sign up process. And apart from that, if you're an influencer, if you own a site or blogs, any blogs which you're going to use it as your platform, so make sure you have the details of it. So if you have any of these, then you're all good to um, join as an on the affiliate program. And on the commissions and payments, as you may know, the Klarna affiliate program only offers single tier commissions, which means the affiliates earn commissions only on sales they generate. Okay, so your details on your commission will only be shared with you during your onboarding process. You don't really That's only when you have signed up, completed the sign up process, you will get to know in detail. And mostly, as mentioned here, like the Klarna offers a fixed commission structure with no minimum payout, and most of these payments, as mentioned here, are monthly payments of your commission. So, and if you want to like sign up, so you can simply, what you can do, click on this join us button and then start this sign up process here. And then this might you might need to have your business details and all those informations here. So you just have to, that's the contract, so you just have to accept it, and then you just need to sign up to your Klarna account. So now provide, once you have signed in, provide your once you have, when you're signing up, provide your details, phone number and all those information, click on get started. And next process, you will be asked for a verification code sent to your mobile, so you just have to verify that. And then what you're going to do here, you're going to start giving informations about yourself and your business models and all those information. So it's just a couple of steps. You just have to select these and then complete, and it's going to take a few minutes. And then you will be able to complete the sign up process. So once you have completed the sign up process, then it's pretty much easy. So all you have to do is just once you're ready for the campaign, so all you have to do is just provide like Klarna will provide you the campaign materials and with your specific URL links as well, and then you can share it on any of your sites or your blogs or anywhere you wish to promote it. So you can just share it there, and then begin your affiliate program from there. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.